just finally got an SBR for our Southern New England, yeah!
Hazards include miles per hour. Expect damage to trees and counter lines. Locations expected include Hartford, West Hartford, Manchester, East Hartford, Mansfield, Vernon, Windsor, Wethersfield, Mansfield, South Windsor, Shrewsbury, Brookfield. Lightning is one of the features you may be curious. Remember, if you look at your phone, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and leading to flash flooding. Your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay, first SBR of the day. Not going on the themes with you, but I'm gonna check FM. But there you go, first SBR for Hartford, Northwest Northern Northeastern. Hartford County is a big blow for Albany. Because yes, I thought it's gonna be between these two, and it's about. Oh, wait a second, somebody is calling. I may be wrong here, but why doesn't have to be okay? Oh no. Now it looks like that up to New York is the next one to be the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Because now the updated it from 30 to 50. Okay. 3. Remember, we had an SVR. We had the chance that the SVR would be for Hampden County. And then apparently you made a mistake and you put Hartford in Thailand. That's great. How about no? So the first one, why don't I start back when I started to watch stream again? So again, we had an SBR for Hartford County. And now we have one for Manchester Center. Thank you so much, Bennington and Wyndham. The mods coming back. If this wasn't if it wasn't for Manchester, if it wasn't for Boston to issue their first warning, then this would have been the very first warning of the England. Look at that. Whew. Finally got one in our prediction list. Yeah. So, got it. Again, I was expecting to know a warning for Hartford County when they decided no, they're not going to issue one. Well, now they did. And there goes the flashback warning. There goes a flashback warning. Just like my WR300, my WR120. Well, that's the second. That's the third activation, and you know.
I did my best. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. No, it's okay. It happens.
And we're gonna get a new one.
Yeah. Sorry, James.
He only took a bite out of each one.
Don't need it.
You okay, honey?
Warning for West Central Essex County, northeastern Massachusetts.
What did you see in Marlboro?
Northeastern Middlesex County, northeastern Massachusetts.
Don't tell me it's the balls. Why? Why would you do that?
Essex, Middlesex, and
Guess what? They're flat.
No.
Yes, they are. They're flat. You just what?
No, you need to pump them.
Puff them? You need to puff them?
Pump, Daddy, pump.
You need to puff them? Can't puff them.
You really made a nice mess of this counter, didn't you?
You're gonna do one and that's it. One ball. That's it.
Daddy, I
That's
want
one
you to eat.
No, each day.
James, it's right there.
Okay? Eat your sailing. Your mother made you.
You're not trying to find right.
Locations affected include Torrington, New Milford, Thomaston. Gusty winds could knock down trees or around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to Lincoln, Washington, Warren, Cornwall.
First one for Hamden.
Thunderstorm warning for western West Hartford, Bristol, at 30 miles per hour. West Silbury, Ewington, Vernon, Windsor, Agawam, West Springfield, Wethersfield, Mansfield. Iowa, West Springfield, Wethersfield, Mansfield, South Windsor, Mansfield, South Windsor, and Farmington.
Yeah! Another one. Flashwood money. Flashwood money. South Central Hamden County. They visited 19 minutes ago. Oh, there's a new one!
in poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springfield, Hartford, West Hartford, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Vernon, Windsor, Iowa, South Windsor, Farmington, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Avon, Longmeadow, Suffield, East Longmeadow, Ellington, Windsor Locks, and Granby. And streams. Locations that will experience flash flooding include Springfield, Hartford, Enfield, Vernon, Windsor, Iowa, South Windsor, Farmington, Simsbury.
Okay, Smitty has net control station and flash flood warnings.
In southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, southwestern Nassau County in southeastern New York until 7:45 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm will over Crown Heights, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Forest Hills and Canarsie around 7:10 p.m. Howard Beach around 7:15 p.m. Jamaica and Flushing around 7:20 p.m. Elmont and Little Neck around 7:30 p.m. Protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A strong...
Okay, we just got a new SVR.